Hello, children. Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Dear children, as you know that India is divided into 5 physical divisions. Among those, we have studied about the northern mountains. Here you can see in this picture. Here northern mountains we have studied. After that, this northern mountain, and after that we have studied about the northern plain in lesson 2, in the northern plain and eastern and coastal plains we have studied in lesson number 3. This coastal plain, this one eastern coastal plain and this one western coastal plain we have already studied. Okay, now the third physical division of India is the western desert. The yellow portion you can see, this is a western desert, which we will study today in lesson 4. Clear? Before starting the lesson, let us know what is desert. Clear? This you should know. What is desert? So, a desert is see this picture. A desert is a dry, barren area of land where little rain occurs and very few plants are found. I am repeating it again. A desert is a dry, barren area of land where little rain occurs and very few plants are found. These are called desert. Clear? Now, the next term is sand dune. What are sand dunes? Sand dunes are small hills of sand. Here you can see in the picture, sand dunes are small hills of sand found in the desert which are formed by the movement of sand with the help of wind. Here also you can see these are the hills, small hills. These are called sand dunes. Is that clear to you? Now, the next, may I repeat the sand dunes again? Sand dunes are small hills of sand found in the desert which are formed by the movement of sand with the help of wind. Clear? The next term is oasis. What are oases? See here in the picture, a lush green area around surrounding a water source is in a desert is called an oasis. Repeating it again, a lush green area surrounding a water source in a desert is called an oasis. Now, the next is, what are banjaras? Clear? People who travel from one place to another in search of food and water for themselves and their animals are called banjaras. Clear? All these terms will be useful for you to learn the lesson properly. Clear? The next term is Rann of Kutch. Rann of Kutch is a salt desert. It is a part of Thar desert that gets flooded during the monsoon season but leaves behind salt when the water dries up during winter, thereby forming a salt desert. Here you can see in the picture. I am repeating it again. A salt desert. It is a Rann of Kutch is a salt desert. It is a part of Thar desert that gets flooded during the monsoon season but leaves behind salt when the water dries up during winter, thereby forming a salt desert. Clear? The next term is you must know about tankas. What are tankas? The tanka is an underground tank used to store rainwater in some houses in Rajasthan. Clear? This is all about the new terms. Now, let me tell you, just you tell me, can you say which is the largest desert in India? Yes, it is the Thar Desert or the Great Indian Desert. Both are the same, the Thar Desert or the Great Indian Desert. Now, do you think which is the largest desert in the world? So, in the world, Antarctica Desert is the largest desert. It is not covered with sand, but it is covered with snow. It is barren land and does not have any vegetation. So, it is called cold desert. Clear? Now, the largest desert covered with sand is Sahara Desert. Clear? Which is in Africa continent. About continent you have studied na? It is in Africa continent. Now, here the question arises, what you find in the desert? Can you guess? We find camel, cactus, sand dunes, thorny shrubs and oasis in the desert. Clear? In your book, when you see page number 32, get set, it is asked to tick the pics you find in a desert. Clear? So, here we can see only camel and cactus in a desert. So, tick picture first and picture fourth. Clear? Now, let us see the location of Western Desert. Here see the map. In India, the desert lies in Rajasthan. Now here you can see this is the part of Rajasthan. Here the light yellow color you can see, this is the part of Rajasthan. Clear? Here this part is of Rajasthan. Here you can see in Rajasthan Aravalli Hills, you can see here, it is written here Aravalli Hills. These are the Aravalli Hills. So Aravalli Hills divide the Rajasthan into two parts. One part this one part this one. Clear? And to the west, means this one is the eastern part of this desert and this is the western part of the desert. So to the west of Aravalli, okay, this desert lies. This desert is known as the Thar Desert. This one is the Thar Desert. It is already written here. Clear? Now next comes, it is also called the Indian Desert. Clear? This desert is the 17th largest desert in the world and it is about 800 kilometer long. This is about 800 kilometer long and 500 kilometer wide. Clear? About 85% of the desert lies in India. About 85% of the desert lies in India and only 15% is in Pakistan. Only 15% is in Pakistan. Clear? This you can see in the map. Now this desert stretches from, here you can see, from Aravalli Hill in the east. This side, this one is the Aravalli Hill. This is towards the east. Clear? the border of Pakistan in the west. This is the border of the Pakistan. Here, border of Pakistan in the west, and Run of Kutch in the southwest. Here you can see this one is the Run of Kutch. Clear? It covers this one also. And then and the border of Haryana. You can see this border of Haryana also, it is touching. Clear? There are two parts of Thar Desert. The eastern part is rocky. Here you can see the eastern part is rocky, and the western part is the under loose sand. Is that clear? Is that clear to you? It is under loose sand. Now, this area of land is covered with a thick sheet of loose sand. The western, it is, I am talking about the western side of the Thar Desert. Clear? Now, sometimes that you know, wind can blow it away from one place to another. This area here, this area of land is covered with a thick sheet of loose sand. As the sand is loose, wind can blow it away from one place to another. Sometimes wind carries a large amount of sand with it and deposit it to form small hills of sand. These hills are known as sand dunes. You have already read about this. So, what are sand dunes? What we say? What are sand dunes? Sand dunes are the small hill of land which are formed by the movement of sand with the help of winds. They are found in desert. Clear? Here in this map you can see the location of Thar Desert. It is in dark maroon color. Clear? Here you can see it is clearly shown that it is covered with Haryana, here this side Rajasthan, and here Gujarat Run of Kutch, and blue portion is showing that it is the part of Pakistan. Clear? Now, about the sand dunes you have studied. Now after that, there are very few streams in the Thar Desert which mostly remains dry. Clear? The Luni is only seasonal river which flows through the western desert. Yes, this Luni is a seasonal river. Every time it is not filled with water. This white portion is showing the Luni river. Is that clear? Can you able to see? There are very few streams in the Thar Desert which mostly remains dry. Luni is only the seasonal river which flows through the western desert. Clear? And at some places underground, the groundwater comes to the surface. Okay, the water comes to the surface and makes that area fertile. Means the plants can grow there. Clear? This is called oasis. So, now can you say what is oasis? Yes, a lush green area surrounding a water source in a desert is called an oasis. Clear? Now, the village in the desert area are situated near the oasis. You can see this in the picture. Why? Why this is situated in the near the oasis? Can you say? Because in the desert area there is a shortage of water, and which is the main problem in the western desert. And because of the shortage of water, women have to bring water from far off places, even for doing their domestic work. So that is the reason why village in the desert area are situated near the oasis. Is that clear to you? Now let us see about the climate. The climate of the Thar Desert is hot and dry throughout the year with very little or no rainfall. Clear? During summer, the days are very hot and nights are cool. In winter, the days are warm and nights are very cool. Clear? Now, let us know something about the natural vegetation. Here, bushes and thorny shrubs grow here as they require very little water. Clear? Babul, kikar, khejri trees grow in the eastern part of the desert, and cactus and acacia grow in the western part of the desert. Clear? Animals such as camels, here cactus, you can see this in cactus in the picture. This also grow in the western part of the Thar desert. Clear? Now let us know about the animals. Which animals are found in the Thar desert? Animals such as camels, black bugs, chinkaras. Here this is the picture of camel. Here black bugs, and this one chinkara, the picture of chinkaras, and the great Indian bustards are found here. Clear? The camel is the most useful animal. Can you tell me why? Why camel is the most useful animal? Yes, it is used for pulling the carts and plowing the fields. Clear? And camel's skin is used for making the tents. Clear? And hair for making clothes and carpets. The meat and milk of camel is used as a food. Clear? Now, let us have a look on fact-wise of your book, page number 32. Here, you can see that sand dunes are also found on Mars. Wind can shift these sand dunes like the ones found in Earth's desert. Clear? Now, so today we have learned about the location, the land, climate, and the natural vegetation of Thar desert. Clear? Now children, here about the Sahara desert. Now, as you know that you are knowing, the Sahara desert is the largest desert in the world. Now for that you have to find out first the location and extent of these desert. Which desert? Sahara desert. Clear? And second point, you have to find out name of any 5 countries the desert is spread across. Clear? And third one is 2 important rivers and 2 famous oases of this desert. Clear? This is your activity for today and try it. The remaining part of this lesson will be explained in the next video. Okay? Goodbye and have a nice day. Clear? Bye.